A great digital signage software should be a tool that can help you complete any digital display project efficiently, whether that be providing digital wayfinding for client navigation, assisting with employee communications, remote communication, or even blowing up a pumpkin. I bet you were wondering, how did we create this festive explosion with a digital signage software? Well, let's rewind and let me show you. In the case of the Great Pumpkin, our very own Josh, the technology manager and tech guru at Arreya, created a simple presentation in Arreya to use as the trigger for the pumpkin explosion. First, Josh created a presentation in the Arreya Editor and used the touchpoint widget to create an interactive touchpoint that would trigger the explosion. In the widget options, he added a webhook event that sent a web request to a special URL, which triggered the next step in the sequence. The webhook event uses a REST API to quickly turn on power to the Wemo smart outlet. On the other end of the smart outlet, there's a lengthy extension cord with an old Chromebit power supply that sends 12 volts to the airbag that is inside the pumpkin as soon as it is powered on. As Arreya is a progressive web app, this presentation that Josh quickly created in Arreya can be accessed through a secure link and displayed on any device, phone, computer, or tablet. This was perfect for blowing up a pumpkin, as it allowed us to all sit back and watch from a safe distance and activate the explosion remotely from Josh's phone. And now, the moment that you've all been waiting for. The full explosion and aftermath of the Great Pumpkin.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
Thank you for watching our digital signage hijinks. To learn more about practical use cases of the Arreya digital signage software, subscribe and watch our other videos. Visit our website or give us a call. Thanks, and everyone have a nice day.